Hello mga ka-Jumix ko po dyan. Ayan, kung bago pa lang kayo sa channel ko, please don't forget, subscribe Jumix channel, like, view, share, comments, and hit the bell button for you always get notified whenever I upload my video. Ayan mga ka-Jumix ko po dyan, napakaganda talaga ng house ng aking friend. Here, American husband mga ka-Jumix, kaya invite po ako mga ka-Jumix, kaya ayan, keep watching until the end of my video. Ang dami niyang bahay mga ka-Jumix.
I want the video.
So amazing.
I want the video. It's nice to be.
Ay.
What did you sing? Oh, nice kayo. Nagkasing. Ako na, baby. Ako na. Oh, ako na. Oh, hi, good morning. Sorry.
Come in the house? Have you already had coffee?
Yes, we ate already. Breakfast.
Hey, you want to come in the house and hang out? It's probably a little cooler. I have the hay.
It's okay. Denver. Oh, just will take shower. Just wait. Just wait, Denver. I need to video. Siya kunoy. Ayan, dito ako sa house ng aking kaibigan. Ang kanyang husband ay American. Ito yung house niya. Ayan, dami niyang house. Oh, yun, the biggest. Oh, Denver. Muna yung, Denver. 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 Hey, Denver. Muna ilang gazebo. Kasi mo mo na yung luto. Hindi na po. Yuta, ito ilang balay. Across the road. Bisya hindi yung ilang gate, ilang sakyanan. Dito sila ko muna ilang gate. Ilang gate. Here. I want to take picture. Muna ilang sakyanan dito sa gawas. Kailangan pa man yung yuta. The gate. That's the gate. Their houses. Mapanin niya. Across the road mo ni lambal. Ay, yuta. Ito. That's nice. Hantod gani dito. Dako kayo nilang yuta eh. See, it's very clean. It's very very clean.